Time to draw a pretty boy, and I have set up my construction lines with almost a circle for the head, the nose, the eyes and the body. I'm going to start by drawing the eye. And pretty boy, if you've watched the movie, you'll know that he's a funny character and all the adults or actual people love him, and he's got his own live cam, but the animals do not like him at all, especially the nasty animals. Well, everyone who thinks they're nasty, but they're actually awesome, like Maddie and Zoe. I was lucky enough to watch that with my kids. They actually loved the show, and so did I. I thought it was a good show. Bit of reference to like Steve Irwin there with the zookeeper with the car key. All right, we've got the curve line there and another curve line here. Pretty boy is looking that way, so sometimes you can actually have construction lines when you're drawing faces and they're looking to one way. You put the center line off center like that, and that can help guide where things are. Now the smile. Now the picture I'm looking at is actually not a drawing, so it's a bit trickier to sort of, I've got to simplify the picture into just lines. I'm going to move down to where the body is. So I've got, this is the body and here's the arm here, and he's got his arm coming up and in, out, and then he's got a finger on his face, and then another couple of little fingers coming in like so. There's his hand. And this is his arm. So finger on his face, and then his cheek comes out. Now I had a circle, but it actually comes out and back in. So if we look at where it is in relation to the eye, it comes out like this. And then comes back in, and then comes back around. Now I'm going to leave a space for the top because he's got some cool hair through there. And I'm going to bring a line around here. Now we're going to put his other arm on. So he's got his arm coming back. Now, even though it looks like it's easy to draw, this one is pretty tricky because there's so many curves. So see how this line comes through? It's going to come through, and then that's going to be his finger curving up like that, back into his arm. And then he's got another finger coming through like that, and then another one, a little one down like that. So that you can see his arm through there, his hand, sorry. And there's his arm. And then this is his bottom. So his bottom comes around, and then it forms into this leg, which is pretty tricky because it's actually looking back. He's looking that way, so he's a bit of a funny looking leg with a foot there like that. He's got 4 little toes. And this one is even trickier because he's got his feet pointing the other way. So it comes out and you see the pad of his foot. So his pads of his feet there. And then you can only just sort of see the side of his toe. So it looks quite funny. He's sort of got a body twisted in the picture that I'm looking at. Now the ear. So I'm going to just draw the ear, but I'm going to put a couple of little fluffy edge lines like so, just to show you that it's a koala and he's got some fur. And we can show the fur later on when we do some texture in the colouring. Now a tuft of hair, so I'm going to put the hair coming down like that. Got a few little bumps. And I may even just sort of bring it in. It's a few tufts of hair that he's got. Remember, his name's Pretty Boy, so he's got pretty hair. Now, this comes in and then out like so. Now at the moment, drawings, when you get halfway through them and you haven't added colour or texture, they're not going to look exactly like what you're drawing until the end. Now I'm coming around, and as I go around, I'm putting a few little ziggity-zaggity lines on there to show the fur. And then his ear actually comes down like this. And then he's got like a section that comes out there, and then the ear comes down, and then there's another colour. And then on this side of his ear, he's got this sort of cool, sort of almost looks like a flame, but it's hair inside there. But you can't see the same part here. He's got this little part on there, which is sort of similar to that. And this is, I'll just put a line here because there's a, that's to make his nose look 3D. Colour in the black bit, and I'm going to thicken up the outline as well. Keep watching as I colour in, and at the end there's an awesome Back to the Outback photo montage. You can check it out. Keep drawing and check out these other Back to the Outback characters that I've drawn. You can watch those videos as well.